white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Woohoo!
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out.
Yeah!
But still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Yes!
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Goodbye!
Mary had a
Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Yes!
Yeah!
Mary had a
Goodbye!
little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little
Yeah!
lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere
Woohoo!
that Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Yeah!
It followed her to school one day. School
Yeah!
One day, school one day. It followed her to school one
Woohoo!
day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play. to see
Goodbye.
the lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out.
Yeah!
And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered
Woohoo!
and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently
Goodbye.
about. Mary
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Mary,
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Look at this.
Mary had
This is
a
tilapia
little
fish.
lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere
Bye bye.
Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. Is this a snow white fish?
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school
Woohoo!
one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb.
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Yes!
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered
Yeah!
there and waited patiently about,
Woohoo!
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Goodbye!
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary
Yeah!
loves the lamb you know, lamb you know, lamb you know.
Woohoo!
Why Mary loves the lamb you know, the teacher did reply.
Goodbye!